This is a video response for a Dodge Ram, 2001 Dodge Ram. The turn signal's on the floor. And what I did, I put a piece of wood here for your foot control here. 2 tractor type starter buttons. And you got your flasher here. And hook up to your fuse panel. I took the flasher out for your normal flasher unit, so your flasher turn signal on your steering column, and run the wire all the way to the back, which is right here, and it works your turn signals in the back right here on your yellow one. The brake lights are still operational, and well, the front up here too. And how I got it hooked up. There's the wire here that goes from your turn signal switch down to your splicer. Splice the hot wire for your bright part, not your tail light. Same thing. I got the wire up here on both sides. That goes to the turn signals on your mirror. And of course I got the same thing up here too. And those down here are still operational, you can see them. And of course, you see a lot of people drive down the road and you don't have brake lights and they don't even know they blew a fuse or they're not working. And of course I got brake light indicators right there in the red. So you know your brake light works. So, that concludes the video of this. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try my best to answer them.